All right, so let's take a look at this problem. So you're given a rhombus, so you can just sketch four-sided figure with all equal sides. They tell you the sides are 14, so this is what we're looking at. And we have a diagonal of 24. Now, it doesn't really matter where you put that diagonal of 24. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and say it's this diagonal right here. But because this is a rhombus, the diagonals not only bisect each other, but they are perpendicular. So I can label this information. And if I knew that the whole length from here to here is 24, that means each of these pieces would be half of that, or 12. And what that allows me to do now is it allows me to find the length of the other diagonal. I'll call this portion of it x. And because I have this right triangle, I'm missing one leg out of this right triangle. So if I were to just kind of sketch this off on the side, x, 12, and hypotenuse of 14, I can use Pythagorean theorem to solve this. X squared plus 12 squared equals 14 squared. Subtract 12 squared from both sides, extract your square root. And this is going to give me my x value. Again, it's not the complete answer, but it is a part of the answer. So if I take the square root of 14 squared minus 12 squared, close that off. Here I get my answer of 2 root 13. That's this length. If I want to find what the other diagonal is, it's how many x's. So I need to double this. So I get my answer of 4 root 13. So if I multiply this by 2, I'll put a decimal in there so it gives me an answer displayed as a decimal. So I get 14.42 approximately, okay, or the 4 root 13 exactly.